Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take your Keynote slides and quickly turn them into a narrated video presentation by using a great little tool called Narakeet. I've previously made some videos about how to do this with PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Canvas slides. And for those of you who like to use Keynote to design presentations, this video is for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at my slides here in Keynote. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to export these slides as PowerPoint slides. Now, when I do this, it's important to note that I want to make sure I have all of my speaker notes written out before I do this, because the video is going to be based on these speaker notes that I've written. So I've now exported that set of slides as PowerPoint slides. And now I'm going to use Narakeet.com, and I'm going to create a video right now from a presentation. And the presentation is going to be my set of slides that I just exported from Keynote. So I'm going to upload my file here, and I'm going to pull the file from my desktop, and the file is called Sample Social Science Lesson 1. So let's make sure I grab that one. And let's open that. And now Narakeet is going to take my slides and create a short video based on those slides and these speaker notes within those slides. Now, while this is importing, I want to point out that if you have any transitions or animations in your slides, you'll probably want to remove those before you import into Narakeet, because otherwise Narakeet will remove them anyway. Now we can just hit create the video, or if we want to review the settings first, let's edit the settings. And we can change the size of the video. Let's say we want to optimize it for YouTube. Now we can see the slides here. Contain, keep the proportions. Let's change our language. I'm going to use English US because my students are familiar with English US. We can choose the voice we want to use, and you can listen to all of those beforehand if you'd like to. We can adjust the volume, the speed. We can adjust the music or turn off the music entirely, or we can import music by using this little button here and uploading some music. And finally, we can have subtitles on or off. I'm going to say always visible. And now let's create the video. And Narakeet will now build the video for me based on all of my selections on that previous screen. And this will just take a minute or two, and then I'll have a video file that I can download. So now my video is done, and I can play it back. Now, if I'm happy with my video, I can go ahead and download that video. And I'll have that as an MP4 file that I can then use wherever I want to use it. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.